Hello and welcome to the Outdoors. My name is Talon Jayo, Sales Manager with Outdoors RV. And once again, from Outdoors RV, we continue to innovate. And we've heard from customers that you want more smaller mobile trailers in our lineup. And of course, we've listened. And one of the fan favorites is a 21 KVS. But we heard over and over with the popularity of the 19 MKS front wall bed that customers kept calling us, why can't you take a 21 KVS and put that MKS front wall bed in there, give me a dinette, give me theater seating in the slide out. Once again, here at Outdoors, we listen. So standing before me is a 22 KVS Creekside Titanium series. By adding a foot on our very popular 21 KVS, we're able to get a 40 by 90 dinette, a 60 by 80 premium Heartland mattress with that popular 19 MKS front end wall bed, and theater seating in the slide out, all by only extending this floor plan by 1 foot. So now let's take a look at some of the features that are standard on all Outdoors RVs and walk around this newly innovated 22 KVS. Generous off-grid capacities with 78 gallons freshwater capacity, 40 gray and 40 black. Once again, 19-foot weather guard awning shielded, extends almost the entire length of the unit, so that way your outdoor space is nice and protected. Now, every Outdoors RV comes standard with a Built Tough construction and the climate design 4 seasons and the custom chassis and X4 suspension system. We do have more detailed videos on our website. Make sure to take a look at them. We'll go over a few of those features today. So once again, everything comes built with a custom built chassis, built by us, designed specifically per floor plan, made out of USA steel. X4 off-road suspension. The 22 KVS, we actually upgraded to 5,100 pound axles, 6-lug tires. So these are 225 E-rated Goodyear Endurance USA made tires. KYB world-class shocks, off-road shock plates, V-shaped gusset weld supports for strength and integrity, and a MORryde Ultrek 4000 center suspension. Extra large slam latch storage doors, which are 1 inch thick. Extra large pass-through with access to your battery disconnect. This has also got our toy hauler flooring, so it's gas and oil resistant, so rubberized diamond plate. 50 amp MPPT solar controller with 400 watts standard with an option up to 600, and a side solar port for 200 additional watts with the briefcase solar panel. Now, this is a titanium series, so it does come standard with the ground control TT auto leveling system, which is fantastic. Hit the button and it levels itself. Dual 30-pound propane tanks. Once again, custom built off-road chassis with underslung hitch. This lowers the mounting location on your shank from your truck for about 5 inches. Half fiberglass cap with reinforced diamond plate. And once again, this is reinforced for extra protection against strikes, rocks, you name it. All Outdoors RV are built with standard dual pane windows. And just a reminder, and this is on our Built Tough construction, all walls are 2-inch aluminum frame with the high density block foam insulation. And once again, that's every wall in the trailer, behind the front cap, back wall, side walls, even all 3 slide out walls, including the slide out roof, and we laminate the bottom of your slide out floor as well. Convenient rear storage area. That way you can also have either tools, storage, you name it, but then also you have access with the trash chute. So put your trash in here. The solid surface countertop inside the galley has a cutout, and that way you can just put your trash right in here and keep it out of your living space. Now, let's go take a look at our reimagined 22 KVS Creekside Titanium series. Now that we're here in the 22 KVS, and the KVS stands for Kitchen View Slide, and now you can see why. Ample counter space, XL panoramic viewing windows. Once again, imagine you're parked up with a river or a meadow or you name mountain in the background. You can make your coffee while looking at the scenery. You got plenty of counter space. You've got a 21-inch range. You got plenty of storage. That's the amazing thing about the Kitchen View Slide, is the fact that you get the counter space, you get the windows, but you don't lack storage. You have pantry space here, pantry space here. You got an 8 cubic foot, 12 volt for your off-grid fridge. Pot and pan drawer. You even have more storage over here. Conveniently mid-height microwave, so that way you're not reaching up or you're not reaching down. So once again, the back part of this trailer is just not only so livable, but that's what makes the KVS so popular, and it makes the trailer feel absolutely huge. Once again, from customer feedback, they love the 21 KVS, however they wanted multiple seating areas. And so the 22 KVS achieves this and adds a comfortable residential style theater seating in the slide out. across from a fold-out TV, which allows you to view dinette and in the slide-out area. Now let's take a look at the very popular MKS front end. 40 by 90 fold-down dinette with ample room for seating for 4, plus once again the additional theater seating. Now watch how easy it is to set up this 60 by 80 premium Heartland mattress. Once again, toy hauler hinges, not piano hinges. And you're done. Side aisle bath with extra large countertop, stainless steel sink, plenty of storage, tub shower with accordion style door. Once again, my name is Talon J.O. and thank you for taking the time to watch this video on the all new reinvented 22 kVs Creekside Titanium Series floor plan. Once again, we wouldn't be where we are today without customer feedback from you and everyone you know. So once again, always feel free to stop by, have a tour, give us a call, and if you have any questions, of course we have our video resource library, our dedicated dealer partners, or just give us a ring at the plant. Once again, thank you.